Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own server on Discord app in your mobile phone. First of all, we want to go to the left corner when we are already signed up with this plus icon, which is underneath the server you may be already joined in. But let's go with this plus. This pop-up window will show up. You can pick a couple of options from here, create my own server or start from a template. Also join a server if your friends already have one. But we are interested in create my own. And other options will show up for me and my friends or club or community. We go for me and my friends. Let's name it. Let's go with my new server. Create a server. And we can share the link or already invite people like this. Let's go with done. And here we are. We already created our own server. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I believe you will have a lot of fun in your new server. And see you in the next video.